Gawa pala tayo ng photo, guys. So ito pala yung ingredients na gamitin natin. O na dalawang itlog. Ito, dalawang itlog yan. Binati ko na yan. Tapos meron tayong 2 tablespoon na butter. Grated cheese. 1/2 cup lang to. 1/2 cup na tubig. 1 cup na milk. 2 cups na, ito yung ginamit ko. Steam white cake rice mix. Kasi dalawang to pakete. So isang pakete lang ginamit natin, which is 2 cups. And then meron tayong baking powder at 1 cup na white sugar. Wala tayong vanilla, so ito lang muna gagamitin natin, guys. So i-ano mo natin yung egg. Batirin muna natin to. Pag nabati na yung itlog, ilalagay na natin tong butter. Ilagay din natin tong ating sugar. Ang ating 2 tablespoon na baking powder. Ito baking powder. Tapos itong milk, 1 cup. Then ating grated cheese. I-mix lang natin yan, guys. Mix muna natin. Ilagay pala natin yung ating 1/2 cup na water. Yan, mix lang natin po, guys. Then ilagay na natin tong ating white cake mix na puto. 2 cups to 2 cups. Yan, mix lang natin hanggang mag-well combine siya. Yan, guys, maglagay lang tayo dito sa ating pulmahan. Maglagay tayo ng 6 lang muna. Kasi maliit lang tong steamer ko eh. And then i-steam natin to siya, guys, ng mga 10 minutes. 10 minutes lang. Yan i-steam natin dito ng 10 minutes. Yan, kumukulo na to. Takpan lang natin, guys, ng towel. Yan, nilagay ko na dito, guys. Tapos takpan lang natin. Ito ang ginamit ko. Malinis to, ha. Malinis. So, mga 10 minutes. 10 na. So, mga 6:20. Hayaan muna natin yan ng 10 minutes. So, habang inaantay natin to ng 10 minutes, guys, i-ready na natin yung next batch. Yan. Ginamit ko tong yung measuring cup para mas madali. Yan. Tapos same din yung gagawin natin. I-steam din natin ng 10 minutes. First time ko pala nito gumawa, guys. Kasi nasarapan ako yung ginawa ng ng friend ko. So, sinubukan ko din tong gawin. Well, see. Kasi kung pareho ba yung lasa ang lalabas, sinunod ko lang yung recipe except wala akong vanilla. So, i-try lang muna natin yung walang vanilla. Ito yung ating next batch. So, dalawang cup tong isang ganito, guys. Yung isang ganito, 2 cups yan. 2 cups. Same natin yan. Ayan guys, puto. Nag-experiment ako. It's my first time. What you think? Puto.
Very good.
Normally you don't like puto.
Yep.
That one you like it?
Normally,
Maybe because it's fresh.
I don't like all the desserts, but I like this.
Ah, okay. Actually, this is my experiment. There's a hole, so I try again and make another one. I like the puto with no hole.
The whole has no taste.
Yan. Puto cheese. Puto cheese. Guys, i-check natin tong second batch. Let's see. We're gonna remove this first so it will be easy for us. Here's our puto. See? Yay! No hole this time. And let's check. Actually, it's supposed to be 10 minutes. So this one is getting closer. Few more minutes. That's our puto. Maybe 2 minutes more. I think our puto cheese is ready now, guys. Wow, look at that. Pretty. And then meron din tayong 3 peraso dito. Yan. Yan na yung ating puto. So, gagawa tayo ng pang third batch. Dagdagan muna natin yung water. So, ganyan lang guys. Thank you for watching. Ita-transfer na natin guys dito sa may plate. Yan, maganda to siya guys. Oh, silicone kasi madali lang siyang tanggalin. Dapat pala mas maliit na ganito bilhin natin. Pero nag-sell kasi ito kaya binili ko. Diba? Hindi na kailangan maglagay ng oil. You know? Ang taba oh. Taba. So, nagpakulo ulit tayo ng tubig, guys. For the next third batch. Yan, guys. I-try niya yung puto cheese. Can you see puto cheese?
Puto cheese?
Yeah. Puto cheese. It's better if there's a vanilla, but I don't have vanilla.
It's good.
You know? Because you like cheese, right? Mostly, he doesn't like Filipino dessert.
I like this one.
You like this one? Maybe because it's fresh.
I like when it's
Right?
warm.
Yeah, that's true. So, puto cheese. This is the last batch I'm making now, the third batch. I make, I don't know how many, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, maybe 20 pieces for the 1 packet or more than. Dito ko lang in-steam guys. 10 minutes na. To be sure, ilagay natin itong toothpick. So, hindi na siya nag-stick, oh. Tapos, meron din dito sa ilalim. Ilang piraso lang. Yan. So, ganun lang siya, guys. So, nakaano ata tayo? 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So, nakaano tayo guys? At least 25 pieces. So, madali na pala gumawa ng puto. First time kong gumawa. Tapos, lagyan na lang natin siya ng cheese on top. Thank you for watching. Ito na yung ating ano guys. Oh, puto cheese. Ayan. Ito na yung madadala natin next time for next party. Puto cheese. Nilagyan ko na lang ng cheese sa ibabaw din. Pero actually, meron na yung cheese. Ang kulang lang dito is yung vanilla. Very soft siya guys. So, nasarap. Thank you for watching.